Hello everyone, this is me BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have these manual food processors for you for sale, and I do not stay a day without receiving an email or you guys come to my videos and comment under about this manual food processor, about how you can get one. So they are finally here. I just bought them from a recent trip that I made in Senegal, so here they are. So they are very sturdy. The quality is good. Like when it comes to mine, I had mine since 2015, and that's the one you see me cooking with on my videos. And when it comes to the cleaning, I just use some little bit of dishwasher soap and some sponge and clean it. And the quality is very good. Like when you put hot water in it, in case you want to clean it with some hot water, the color does not change. It stays the same. Mine is like the same, just it just look just like this, like a brand new one. Because like I said, it's a very good quality. I could not bring a lot of these because you know how the airline goes, they let you have a specific amount of weight that you can bring into. So this is all it goes, and it's going to be a first come first serve basis. So, and I don't know how I'm gonna get this to you guys. So if you have any option about shipping it or any advice on how can I make this easier to reach you, so comment down below or just send me an email, and I will put my email down inside the description box so you can let me know if you need one. And like I said, I will do a first come first serve thing. So when you put the bowl from the manual food processor and the pesto together, everything weighs about 2 kilograms, which is almost 5 pounds, almost. And if you want to know about the price, any more information about it, you can email me. My email address, like I said, is going to be inside the description box. And I will keep this video on. And if you want to see if I have any more or if I run out, you can always come back to this video and I will try to update it inside the description box as much as I can. Yes, and I bought these spatulas and ladle too in case you guys interested. Those are for on sale too. Yeah. So thank you for watching. I will see you back here for another new video. Bye.